So in my last video, I showed you exactly how my real online business works. I run ads, I get customers, I build an email list, and I can follow up with them. A big part of that follow up is affiliate marketing. But here's the problem. Most people are doing affiliate marketing completely wrong. And that's why people feel like it's a scam, um, or they're just being promoted hype and things like that. So today I'm going to actually break it down the right way versus the wrong way. So now just to be clear, affiliate marketing itself is not the problem. It's actually one of the best business models out there for making money. But like anything, it depends on how you use it. Because there's a version of affiliate marketing where it relies on hype, it misleads people, it burns trust with your audience, and then there's a version that builds long-term income, actually helps people, and it fits into a real business. So basically, at its core, affiliate marketing is very simple. I do have notes up here just because I need to stay on track or I'll just talk forever. So at its core, affiliate marketing is very simple. You recommend a product or a tool or a service. Someone buys that product, tool, or service through your affiliate link and you earn a commission. That's it. And this happens everywhere. So Amazon does it, software companies do it, hosting companies do it. It's a normal part of business. But let's talk about how most people do it when they do it the wrong way. This is what you see all over your newsfeed. It's, hey, this made me $10,000 in 30 days. They have some big income claim that hooks you into what are they doing. Then they're like, hey, just copy and paste this system, click a few buttons. Oh, and DM me for access. So you have to ask yourself, what's actually happening? They're promoting something they don't understand to people they don't know just to earn a commission. It's very different from genuine affiliate marketing, I guess is the way I want to, word it. There's no real use. Like when people are just promoting stuff, there's no real use or real experience or real value to what it is they're promoting. They're just promoting the next shiny object. So a lot of people, that's why they feel like affiliate marketing just feels like a scam. The focus becomes on how do I get paid instead of how do I actually help people or help someone. So here's why this doesn't work long term. People lose trust when affiliate marketers are online just promoting the next shiny object. Customers don't get results with what they promote, and everything is dependent on their constant promotion. So it turns into chasing the next thing, promoting the next offer, and repeating the same cycle. Does that sound familiar? I mean, my feed right now, I'm seeing the same promoters promote pretty consistently, but then every couple weeks or every couple months, they change it up and they're promoting the next thing. I'm always kind of like, what happened to the last thing you promoted? You just keep moving all over the place. And a lot of people don't even stick with the same niche, or the niche they're in is how to make money online. And they're trying to promote something to you of how to make money online. And they make money when you buy the thing that's going to teach them how to make money online. It's this vicious cycle I constantly see. So what I want to show you is the right way to do it. And I'm going to give you an example of what I did in my own business again, because I can only speak from experience. So let me show you the right way. Affiliate marketing should support a real business, not replace it. In my business, I have customers, I have an email list, I understand what they need because of how they got on that email list. And so then I'm recommending something that's relevant to whatever it is they got on my list for. So here's an example. If somebody buys a YouTube script writing prompt from me or YouTube promotion, they're obviously somebody who wants to grow a YouTube channel. So what would actually help those types of people? Tools for keyword research, thumbnail creators, tools for video optimization, tools that will help grow their YouTube channel. Because I know that's what they want to do because of what they bought from me. That's where affiliate marketing comes in to like follow up with my email list. So I can show you just a couple of examples. So like if I had a funnel, like basically I use funnels and email system. I use System.io, and I'm going to show you my System.io dashboard in just a second. But what I do with System.io is I build my landing page, either my sales page or my opt-in page. So some of my pages I run just to get leads so that I have an email list. And then some of the pages actually click to something where they're going to buy. But either way, I'm collecting an email where I have the ability to follow up with those people. So it's literally the backbone of my business. So when I recommend something, it's usually something that they could use every day. So like I would send somebody who opted into, let's just say I had an ebook, which I do, like generate revenue with YouTube. I might follow up and say, hey, use this tool to help you optimize and get more eyeballs on your YouTube. And I would send them an affiliate link to that software. Also, like a lot of times people have clicked bio link, I guess is what you call it. So I can actually show them with System.io, hey, did you guys know as an influencer you should have a link in bio? And you can set that up in System.io. And then I slip my link and I say, here, let me give you a free funnel. When they download that funnel, it's attached to me as my affiliate link, and they can use that to set up their own link in bio and use it for completely free. So like if you're looking to set up something, I mean, you can check out System.io. It's the one I use. I feel natural promoting it because I use it every day. There isn't a day I don't log into System.io and do something in that product. So when you use my link, I get a small commission. But the thing about System.io is 100% free account to use until you outgrow it. It's not a free trial. It's not sign up today and in 2 weeks you're going to get billed every month. No, you can legit use it for free until you outgrow it, which I think it's about 1,000 subscribers or so. It might be more than that now, but I know their first plan is $17 a month. So it's very inexpensive, and it's a way to get online and practice creating offers and seeing how building a real business actually works. The other thing I naturally recommend is domain names. So I use Namecheap. So if somebody needs a domain name and they say, hey, where do you get your domain names? I say Namecheap. I send a link, register your domain. I would get a small commission if they used my link. Another example is hosting. I host WordPress blogs. I probably have a dozen WordPress blogs that I have hosted at one hosting server, hostinger.com. It's natural for me, if somebody is starting a business, to say, hey, I want a WordPress blog, I want funnels, I need a domain name. I'm going to refer all three of those things, and I'm going to help them get that set up, but I'll make a tiny commission for doing that if they use my affiliate link. It doesn't come out of their pocket. It just puts a little bit into mine, as a thank you for recommending a tool. So with my YouTube lists, again, what am I recommending to them? They don't necessarily need domain names and things like that. So I'm not going to probably say, hey, if you're going to get a domain name, go to Namecheap. I'm going to send them an email that says, hey, do you want to grow your YouTube? Check out this tool that you can install this free extension with TubeBuddy. And then if they end up upgrading TubeBuddy, I get a small commission for that. So those are the types of things that are actually helping users naturally. It's naturally placed. It's not like a hard sell. It's a natural, it makes sense to promote that. So like you notice the difference though. I'm not promoting random things to random people on my Facebook newsfeed. I'm recommending the right tools to the right people at the right time. And why this works. This works because it's based on trust, it's based on experience, and it's based on value. And over time, this compounds because people come back. They trust your recommendations and they actually get results. So I actually want to show you something. So my main business is not affiliate marketing. Like it's not the main income stream or income driver of my business. It's actually selling services and products. But affiliate marketing is a part of that. And I'm going to actually show you an example right over here. Let's see, I'm going to share my screen. So this, I'm only showing this because it's not because like I'm trying to show that this off or anything like that. You can see with System.io, I've made about $6,500. This is my lifetime. So I actually did one promotion on in August of 2023, I started promoting System.io to a group of people that wanted to start a business. And I said, hey, let me show you examples. Let me give you a free funnel. Let me show you how you can use this completely free. I had several people use my affiliate link and get started. I did this one time. It was August and September-ish of 2023. I've never done a full out like promote something again. Like I have System.io, the link in the in my YouTube descriptions, and occasionally we'll get sales here and there, but I don't push this hard. I did that one time effort right here in August. You can see this is August, September, October-ish, so the fall of 23. And you can see from this, every year I have made commission, like every month since that point, I have made either recurring commissions or I've brought in new people. And so like you can be like, oh, Abby, that's only, $2,000 a year. But this is only one affiliate software that I'm promoting. I have dozens that I promote. I have different lists that get different products. This is what I call just extra money. So yeah, this is just a couple $1,000s a year, but it's residual and it comes in every single year. And then as I just keep building that, it's going to compound. So every year that's going to grow just a little bit. And so that's what I'm saying. Like, these are just things that are extra that I'm throwing into my email lists and saying, go check this out. That's why, if you think about it, if you're building a business and an email list, affiliate marketing is a great thing for additional income to whatever real business you're building. And you can only do affiliate marketing if you want. You can grow your list specifically to promote tools that make sense for that list. And you can use, AI or Google searches to find tools and softwares. Almost everything has an affiliate program at this point to where you could find something that could really help a user. So like I can actually do System.io walkthroughs to help people learn how to use it and then have my link in the description so that people can get a free funnel or, a free account. And then if they ever upgrade, they're already tied to me and I get credit for that. So just reality check real quick. This is not like, and you have to think about it. My stuff, it wasn't instant income. It's not passive overnight, but I promoted that in the fall of 23 and I've been making money since then, not really ever pushing it again. So is it passive? I mean, anytime I get a commission with System.io, that's pretty passive. Is it hundreds of thousands of dollars? No, but that's not the goal. It's to build these small income streams through affiliate marketing over time. And none of this stuff is guaranteed. But what you're doing when you build it this way is you build trust, you can create content around it, and then you can learn. And then what you're building, though, is real. So next time you see someone promoting something, just ask yourself, do they actually use it? Is this relevant to me? Or are they just trying to get a commission? So I see a lot of people out there. I know that, and there's nothing wrong with platforms that teach many different courses or many different things, but I'm seeing people promote, hey, do you want to be a UGC creator? Go get this, access to this company that teaches that. Plus they teach letter writing, plus they teach credit, plus they have all of these things. Well, if you're not interested in all of those things and you only want to learn how to be a UGC creator, shouldn't you maybe go to somebody who is actually doing that versus buying a course that someone is selling you the course? That's how they're making money. They're not making money off of actually being a UGC creator. And there's a difference. I can show you how to make money with a funnel because I've actually built funnels that make money. but I'm not trying to sit here and sell you a course to say, hey, go buy this and you'll learn how to make funnels that make you money. Do you see the difference in what I'm trying to say there? And if you can just make that shift and understand behind the marketing and objectively look at, one, where the money comes from with what they're selling, or two, with how are they promoting it? Are they promoting this to get me to buy something to make a commission off of me? Or are they selling me something that they're actually doing? And that's a huge, like, light bulb if you can realize that. So in the next video, I'm probably going to break down maybe even some specific examples, or maybe I'll break down one of my funnels, or possibly even build a funnel right in front of you to show you how to research to find something to actually promote, put together an opt-in page or a sales page where you could sell something, but get you started to where you can start building your email list. I have some ideas for several videos coming up. So stay tuned and like, subscribe, ask me questions in the comments. I'll answer every comment that comes in. But anyway, we will see you guys on the next video.